Whenever I package my orders, I put, like, this is a clutch, so I gift wrapped the clutch purse first, put that inside the large bag, and then I put the receipt or invoice of payment, a handwritten thank you, and I put those inside a large plastic bag with these bears. That way nothing gets lost. And then every bear has the product tag, and this month I'm using twine. For different months I'll use different types of like ribbon and so forth. This box is by Uline, and it is a 26 by 26 by 12, and I can actually fit 12 18-inch memory bears and several clutches or purses inside this box. So that is another shipping tip for you.